Well, it is a story of survival that doctors are calling a miracle. Xiaobing Hu's journey battling COVID-19 began in March with a high fever and shortness of breath. Shortly later, he ended up at the Rochester General Hospital for 48 days, much of that time unconscious and on a ventilator. But then the hospital says it was like a light switch, and Hu was awake and able to go home.
Before I was discharged, I saw all the doctors and the other nurses to come over. They came over, congratulated me, and saying, oh, it's a kind of miracle. And I got a turnaround, and I started to realize how severe it went. Back home, talked to my wife. She gave me more of the details. And that's kind of like starting, making me realize, how lucky I am.
Hu has made a full recovery. He now wants doctors and nurses at RGH to know how thankful he is for their work, because he says without them, he would not have survived.